patience is a big part of the game here with laundromats. And I mean, I think that is true. And, to your point, like that can be frustrating for people like me who I'm like, I want results now and it just takes time. However, like you said, that contributes to the stability of this business, right? It's also harder to lose customers, especially if you're taking care of them, right? It's harder to lose customers because, things change slowly here. It's like you said, it's not change a dish and you get all these new
Right?
customers, or you take
We are
away a
all
dish
aggressive.
and you lose them all.
We are all aggressive. We want it to be done next day. Like once your heart and soul into the business, you've put in so much money into this business, so much time into this business. Everybody wants it to be done yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
But then this is what separates the good operator from a great operator to a massively great operator, is that they're able to understand that things take time. It takes time for you to perfect anything. It will not be done in the first go. If you are, for example, just doing a wash dry fold service, it's very hard for me to believe that you would be able to do a great job within the first 15 days to measure out what the packaging should be, what the pricing should be, how you should be talking to the customers, what all conversations that you should be having with the customer, should you be asking them for review. Like this takes time. And if you were the customer, let's say if you were the opposite side of the table, you would want some quietness, you would want some time for you to believe in that business, right? And I have seen that, as I said, most of our operators have customers who have been there for years and years. So it's not that you're going to lose the customer just because you're not going to make it for the first 15 days. The idea is that you need to hook that customer in for 500 days, for 1,000 days. And for that, this requires a different sort of mentality. And as I said, I am a very aggressive guy, and I am talking to you. You are also a very aggressive guy. But then maybe this is what we learn. This is what laundromats teach us. And
Mm-hmm.
this is something worthwhile learning too, that patience is needed in the business.